Welcome into the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with this video. My Ghanaian husband, the one that you see over here to my right, is going to be showing me how to make one of his favorite Ghanaian dishes. And so we're going to bring you in and show you the process, and you can learn as I learn. So let's get right into it. You ready, babe?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right, so we have some ginger, garlic, and onion that you're getting ready to puree together. All right, so now you're adding in your onions, your garlic, and your ginger. So once everything is pureed down, you'll add this into your meat.
Yes.
Okay.
To make sure I steam it very well.
Okay.
For it to cook.
Now we have the beef on. We have to get the chicken on next, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Remember the beef is tough, so
Right. So
have to
you
cook
want to
that
cook
first.
it first. Okay, gotcha.
all right. Chicken is steamed now.
Okay.
It is in.
Okay, so you're not adding any bouillon or anything like that into it.
Yes, it is just natural. Like I use the onion, garlic, and ginger.
Or the like natural seasonings.
Yes. Yes. So this is pure natural pepper soup.
I see. All right, and now next, you say you're going to add in the
We just
spice.
No, we're not adding the spice. We just add about tomato paste. Then we allow it to cook for a while.
What do we have the chili pepper for? The cayenne pepper, what do we have that for?
Remember, we are talking about pepper soup, right?
Yeah.
So that is it. The powdered pepper gives it that flavor, that preparation flavor.
Right, but we haven't added it in
Yes,
yet.
it will go in.
So, okay, is that what we're adding next?
We can add it next, or we can add the tomato paste next. Right now, I want the ingredient to just cook very well, so that we can add everything else.
I see. Okay, so what he's saying is he wants the ingredients to cook down well and immerse itself with the chicken and the beef that's in the pot, and then we'll go in and add the cayenne pepper. So you're adding in your cayenne pepper, and you're adding in how much?
Well, it depends, because
Now the spoon that you're using, you have that heaping teaspoons.
yes, it depends. It's pepper soup.
That's enough.
Some people like pepper. Some people doesn't like it.
Yeah, because
So
if I'm eating this, that's
what-
enough.
then you just check if it's okay. I'll let you know. If it's not, we add some. Remember, you're going to add the tomato paste, so it's not going to be too pepperish. I think we will need more.
So now you're ready for what, the tomato paste?
No, it will cook before. It will
I
allow
see.
it to cook.
What? Frying chicken first. You need some water.
Yes, so you add water. Then boom.
Okay, so that's 1 cup of water. Okay. Is that enough?
No.
You need another cup of water?
Yes, please. 1 more. All right.
So you added in 3 cups of water.
It depends.
All right,
So,
and you're gonna let this cook down?
yes.
Okay. Some salt.
Yes. To be able to taste it because I don't want it to be too salty.
That's enough.
Taste and see.
No, it needs a little more salt. Just a little bit. Because that pepper is kicking.
So, peppers.
Okay, that should do.
So this is our pepper soup.
I taste that ginger too.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
It's good, right?
Yeah, that's good.
So
Thank you.
you allow you to cook. You know when it is cooked when there's substance on it. So this will give you a fair idea that it's cooked.
So you're gonna just let it cook down?
Yes,
is what
let
you're
it
saying.
cook down.
Gotcha. Okay.
And solid.
Well, you know our garden eggs are nothing but eggplants.
Because as much as I want to prepare peanut soup, the only option that we have to eat it with rice
Okay.
or rice ball.
All right. Okay, so we're getting ready to serve this up, and I will let you guys know what it tastes like. And we're simply serving this over rice. Oh no, the rice is on the plate, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. You see, I'm messing this up royally. Okay. Okay. Alright, so
Why in heaven's sake would you want to marry Richard?
just put the rice on the plate.
This is too quick for this. All we want to do is this. If I happen to accept it, not to offend you.
And then we'll put the soup in the bowl, correct?
I am so done with it. Let me ask you a question. Do you love me? Jesus. And why are you so cursed?
Alright, as you can see, I have a little rice because I am not going to eat a lot. And you can see what Agyeman's plate looks like. Alright, we're going to go ahead and sit down and enjoy. And what's this called again? Pepper soup?
Rice and light soup.
Rice and light soup. You are invited. Going. That looks nice. Looks really nice. Alright, guys. I'm going to go ahead and taste this. Nothing but the soup. I'm not even going to add the rice yet, and see what this tastes like. This has a good taste to it. It tastes really good. But the minute that pepper hit my throat, I could tell. So I have to have this rice with it for sure. But this is good. You did good. Oh, my baby made dinner. This is good. I like it. This is good. Now, I don't think we need to ask you.
Stew?
I don't think we need to ask if you like it. Look at your bowl. You've already put it in it. This is really good. You did well, babe. You did really well. Thank you. Yes, all of the ingredients I can taste very well. And you didn't use like a lot of dry seasonings, the natural seasonings. The garlic and the ginger, I can really taste that. This is really good. I'm impressed.
Enjoy.
And this is good. You sure you don't want any corn? This is good.